See, that's what they wanted to play.
This is what they want to do.
Yeah.
She's a tiger, Noah.
Ella, go to the car, go to the tractor, or whatever it is. No, here, this one. Yeah, go sit next to Ella. Go sit next to her, Noah. Ella, let him go through. Sit. He made it.
He's got a strawberry.
Oh, it's cute.
I'm a driver. Look here, guys. Beep, beep. Bye-bye.
It's okay, Elijah. Okay.
Bye-bye. See you later.
You're sitting in the back and Noah gonna drive you. Where are you taking Ella, Noah?
She's taking me to a landmark.
Where?
He's like, how does she get back there? Yoni. Bye-bye, Helly Ho.
Helly ho, helly ho. Oh, look at the birds on this tree. It's so cool. Wow. Oh my God, where did she go?
She went over there.
Oh my God. Ella, where are you? You can sit and ride. Huh? Which slide is it? Oh, I have no idea, Arevas. Ella, look. Ella, hop. Oh, we love you, horsey.
Attention, please. It is now 6 o'clock and the farm is closed. You all have a good evening.
Oh, the farm is closed.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. But there is no more food now. No more food, little pony. We're gonna say bye-bye today, pony, and go. Ella, say bye-bye. Ella, you gotta say bye to them.
Bye-bye, little pony. We have to go.
We have to go today. Go, go, run, run. To those little ponies, run.
They will. Oh my God.
Go, run, run.
Away.
Run, Ella. Run to them. Little ponies, bye-bye. Ari, let's go. We gotta go.
How did those ducks get there? These are wild,
Oh, they're wild ducks. You wanna go to them?
but they're wild.
It's okay. Wild doesn't mean they are wild, they're gonna bite you. It means they live in free place. Yeah, see? Hi, ducks.
Oh, look at his tail.
They're so cute. It's okay, we're not gonna bite you or anything.
We're just gonna hug you.
Yeah, go.
Hug.
Hugs. Uh-oh, look at the turkey. Look at the turkey, Ella. Okay, run after ducks. Go. Ella, come stay here. Ella, come stay here. I want to take one photo. Stay.